Walking does more than move your body, it moves your emotions. And when life becomes overwhelming, frustrating, heavy, or just too much, a simple walk can shift your entire internal state. But why? Why does walking clear emotional tension so effectively? Let's break it down, simply, gently, and in a way that makes sense. When stress builds up, it doesn't just live in your mind, it shows up in your body. Tight chest, heavy shoulders, foggy, thinking, racing thoughts, pressure inside your ribs, a feeling of being full emotionally. Your emotional system becomes congested, not broken, just overloaded. This is the tension you feel right before a walk helps everything loosen. Walking introduces something your body craves: rhythm. Left, right, left, right. A simple bilateral pattern. This alternating movement gently pulls your nervous system out of chaos and into order. Rhythm is regulation. Rhythm is grounding. Rhythm is processing. The moment your steps find a steady pattern, your internal tension begins to unwind. Think of walking as a kind of emotional digestion. Just like the body needs movement to process food, your emotional body needs movement to process stress. Each step moves emotional tension through your system, loosening what's tight, softening what's stuck, clearing what's foggy. Movement gives emotion a pathway out. This is why so many people say, "I always feel better after a walk," because your body is literally clearing what your mind has been carrying. As your steps continue, your breath naturally deepens, your shoulders lower, your jaw releases, your awareness returns. You stop bracing, you stop gripping, you stop mentally looping. Walking creates space, enough space for your emotions to settle instead of swirl. This combination of movement, breath, and gentle rhythm resets your entire emotional state. By the end of a walk, you aren't magically fixed. You're simply more you, more present, more grounded, more steady, more able to face what's in front of you. Walking doesn't remove the challenges. It removes the emotional static that makes those challenges feel impossible. And that simple shift changes everything. Walk to think, walk to feel, walk to clear, walk to return to yourself. Walking is more than movement, it's medicine.